My baby took me to another place with a lot of cars, and we're going to show you one right now.
The moment this 1932 Model 18 rolled off the factory floor, both the hot rod world and the street rod world were dramatically changed forever. If you brought one of these home, you could easily be the envy of every red-blooded American male for miles just by lifting the hood. I'm sure your neighbors already suspected something when they heard the iconic rumble as you rolled down the street, grinning from ear to ear. What could be so groundbreaking about this solid black 1932 Ford? It was nothing less than the most coveted item ever lusted after by any self-respecting hot rodder. An affordable, mass-produced V8 engine. The fact is, this was the first time in history a V8 engine had been affordably mass-produced. This kicked off an enduring love affair with the V8 engine that has lasted over 90 years. I'm betting there will still be street rodders and hot rodders cramming V8 engines into everything they can find long after I finish this video. I've certainly done it enough times. You've probably done it too. What was the first V8 engine you got your hands on?
If you subscribe right now, I'll show you a cute giraffe. You are so pretty, but now I have giraffe spit on my hand. Thank you.
Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Zane Auto. Binge watch Zane Auto.